Many of you skip sunscreen thinking that there is no sunlight because of cloudy weather and all, but it is wrong perception. UV rays penetrate through clouds and it damages our skin. So use sunscreen whenever you are indoors also. Also add serum in your skincare which has vitamin C and salicylic acid in it. And some people skip night routine feeling that there is no need of night routine in monsoon season, but you need to use moisturizers and also serums because during night time your skin is very good condition to heal all the breakouts. Some people use harsh scrubs and exfoliates which has chemicals. So by using these scrubs and exfoliates regularly, they may lose their skin natural texture and oil production is increased. So try to exfoliate your skin 1 to 2 times weekly. Avoid over makeup for long hours. Use lightweight waterproof makeup so that you can cleanse it off immediately after you reach your home. So I hope this video is very helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video.